इतिहास साक्षी छ यो मैदानमा हिमायतीहरू पैदा भएका छन्. Heroes are born in this theater. Kiran Rai, the General Secretary of ENFA, including we have this mascots for today is quite interesting as they are from Sagarmatha Football Academy. We are looking for the heat from the right flank side. Hira ko cross box with the dangerous Rashmi, and she was a bit too late there.
रश्मि घिसिङलाई उनको पहिलो टचले धोका दियो. क्रस उत्कृष्ट थियो हिरा भुजेलको. Just look at that. बल पनि सही गई थियो, but the control, the first touch, it just deceived रश्मि.
यहाँ भने अर्को डेन्जर चेज गर्दै सोम्यालाई र गीताले सही डिसिजन लिइन्. त्यहाँ
गीता एउटा लिडर, the back wall of APF FC. जुन प्रकारको
beautiful touch there by Meena. Anita Restin Anziri Fazila din चाहन्थिन्. Anjana will easily collect it.
Anjana run up. Ball पाउने बित्तिकै she gives away a pass to Fazila. यो थियो जुन प्रकारले Anjana line बाहिर. Picture perfect.
यहाँ शिल्की देवी बल लिएर अगाडि बढ्दै. शिल्की with the shot. Anjana was beaten, तर केही बाहिर रह्यो.
They have the ability, Silky Devi and Restin Anjiri, they have the ability to shoot from anywhere. Anjana niकै alert थिइन्. She had to scramble actually.
बलमा फजिला एक फुट. Fazila trying to find a way through the defenders. To poke गरेकी थिइन्. The defenders did
the ball. Sarita Yumnam.
Long ball. Your danger on a सक्छ. Fazila comes in back, and that was an error. Fazila Ikwaput scores the very first goal. खेलको 22औं मिनेटमा, and that was a blunder in the back of APF FC. Anjana might have come a little forward. र गीतालाई deal गर्न छोडिदिनु उनले, and that was the communication gap between.
यो पहिला त सही हेडर हुन सकेन मनमाया दमाईको, र त्यसपछि communication गीता र अञ्जना बीचको पनि उठाउन सकेन. One ball in the middle, and this header gave a chance to Fazila Ikwaput. यस टुर्नामेन्टमा 8औं गोल गर्नको लागि she saw the chance.
लिफ्ट गर्दै यो बललाई रश्मि घिसिङ. अझै पनि चान्स छ, तर बल बाहिर गइसकेको छ.
Rashmi Ghisimko, either it was a flick or a try towards the first bar. It was a confusing thing over there. It was not a flick at all. She was not looking for a teammate.
Anjana नानामगर बिट भएकी छिन्. त्यहाँ अझै पनि चान्स छ क्रस बक्स भित्र, तर बाहिर गएको छ बल. The ball was already out. A goal kick APF FC लाई.
Anjana Ranamagar took the risk. Only 1 versus 1 situation. यो बल मैले बचाउनै पर्छ भन्ने हिसाबमा गइन्, but Fazila Ikwaput with the clever over there. यदि
कोर्टमा रेणुकाको शट केही माथि सजिलै क्लियरेन्स गर्दै पान्थो चानु.
APF FC का एक्साइटिङ खेलाडी मीना देउबाको खुट्टामा बल पर्ने बित्तिकै नवयुग श्रेष्ठ जस्ता veteran national खेलाडी पनि उत्साहित त्यहाँ देखिन्थे, तर मीना देउबा opted to pass rather than go for the run over there.
Ashalata still there. Ashalatako राम्रो क्रस हेडर गर्न सक्छ Anjana, and that's the second goal for East Bengal. Shilki Devi Hemam comes in clutch, and the girls from Kolkata double their lead. खेलको 35औं मिनेटमा East Bengal in the control of the match. Shilki Devi Hemam rises above all to double the lead for the Indian team. यसका साथै East Bengal को दोस्रो गोल पनि कम्प्लिट भएको छ.
यो क्रस आशालता देवीको र त्यो क्रससम्म आइपुग्दाखेरि मनमाया दमाईले फेरि पनि एकपटक मिस्टेक गरिन्. यो क्रस उत्कृष्ट क्रस. अन्जना शी वाज ट्राइङ टु पञ्च इट, तर उनको जम्प सही रहन सकेन. इट वाज नट अ रियली हाई जम्प. शी कुड नट पञ्च इट. त्यो हेडरमा पेस भने खासै थिएन अभिनव. उनले पञ्च गर्न सक्थिन् अन्जना राणा मगरले. बट स्टिल there you go. Bad luck for the AFC, the home team.
निकाल्दै क्रस को खोजीमा रेणुका. अनिता बस्नेत from the right hand flank. She has all the time in the world. अनिताको क्रस निकै ढिलो.
Expert of APFFC and Nepal as well.
यो कर्नरबाट केही उपलब्धि लिन सक्छ एपिएफएफसी ले. अनिता बस्नेतको क्रस बक्सभित्र. हिरा भुजेल. That chance is almost gone here. तर टार्गेटमा राख्न सकेनन्. फर्स्ट टाइम अटेम्प्ट गरेकी थिइन् मीना देउबाले.
This was a brilliant team movement from APFFC. One touch passes. अन्तिममा रेणुकाको यो क्रस थियो मीनाको लागि. किनभने क्रसमा पेस थिएन. मीना had to generate all the power that she could and off target.
क्यापिटलाइज हुन सकेन र सँगसँगै रेफ्री कुमानको बाट यो हाफ टाइम विसल फजिला कपुर र शिल्की देवी हेमाम खेलको 22औं र 35औं मिनेटमा गोल गर्दै अन्जना राणा मगर. She is not happy with the defense. The performance बाट खुसी छैनन्. Final match.
Shomya with the pass to Fazila. Your shot. Oh my goodness gracious. A mistake from Anjana Rana Magar. She looks stunned. Nepali team, APF team sayad ready नै थिएन. अप्रत्याशित रूपले यो शट आयो and under her arms Anjana Rana Magar ko yo mistake, and she knows she made a blunder over there भनेर. And confidence in Fazila Ikwaput. तेस्रो गोल इस्ट बंगालको लागि. 3-0 ले अगाडि इस्ट बंगाल.
What a blunder there. How can you do that in a final? यो भने खराब सुरुवात एपीएफएफसी बाट दोस्रो हाफ को. And that was quite not expected from Anjana.
She would be so very disappointed over there. She had an excellent tournament. अब भने खेलमा फर्कने मौका एपीएफ को लागि. A turn not successful at all. Anita Basnet over there, the captain. She tried to turn towards her left foot, but not win the European Champions League. That's what Liverpool did against AC Milan. And now it's time for a player to stand up tall in this match for
APF is in big danger here. Sulanjana. Still Sulanjana. Cut back. Corner kick.
Sulanjana Rawal looks full of confidence. Geeta unlai पछ्याउँदै थिइन्. There needed to be a tackle or Pratiksha. त्यहाँ save गर्न आइपुग्यो. यो corner kick. And Anjana needs to be very alert over here. 3-0 ले खेलमा पछाडि परेको आफ्नो टिम अर्को एउटा गोल कन्सिड गर्छ भने the game will be over in the very first few minutes of the second half. Anjana alert. East Bengal with the corner kick. This one, a header again, a looping header. Once again, East Bengal off the target.
Yes, पटक पनि lucky साबित भयो APFFC. Once again, it was a corner kick routine, set piece batter. Sathi Devnath, header को लागि corner kick को appeal थियो.
And again on attack, Silky Devi with that clearance. Ball on the run, Rashmi support got the Sarujin. Ajapani Anita, can Nepal, can APF come back with one goal at least? No, because it was Sarita Yumnam with excellent tackle.
Sorry, that was a menace over there. Anita was a bit too slow. निकी अगाडि जान सक्थिन्. यहाँनिर 1-2 को अपर्च्युनिटी थियो. सरको पास लगभग करेक्ट नै थियो तर उनले त्यो ढिलाइ गर्न पुगिन्.
Anita with the in-swinger, a header! Oh, and everybody in the stadium thought it was a goal. Rashmi Kissing with the header and Pantho Ichano with the save.
Pantho Ichano had other ideas. यहाँ header भने राम्रो नै थियो तर राम्ररी क्याल्कुलेट गरिन् त्यहाँ पान्थो इचानोले. अर्को डिसअपोइन्टिङ टच रह्यो
For the final match. So यस प्रतियोगितामा इस्ट बंगालले अहिलेसम्म 16 गोल गरिसकेको छ र उनीहरू विरुद्ध एक गोल पनि भएको छैन.
सँगसँगै एफएफसीले आफ्नो पहिलो गोल पनि कन्सिड गरेको थियो 22औं मिनेटमा. And it went.
Ball लखेट्दै सरु लिम्बू, but Jibesh Pandey, he must be in the depth of his thoughts.
Game is shouting for a change. यहाँ पनि अर्को opportunity.
And this one from Fazila goes wide. Yashpali Anjana Rana Magar was brave enough. She stood tall and she stood wide. र यो बाहिर गयो फजिलाको एफर्ट.
राम्रो पोजिसनिङ अञ्जनाबाट तर she could have easily beat the goalkeeper. यदि लेफ्ट साइडमा गएको भए फजिलाले सजिलै बिट गर्ने थिइन् अञ्जिलालाई.
यो हाई लाइन खेल्दाखेरिको रिस्क हो अभिनव. नेपाल. Rashmi Kissing on the ball. Meena Deuba with the cross and here's a chance. Oh, Anita Kessie was at the right place at the right time. तर बल सायद अलिकति उनको हाइट भन्दा माथि आयो, यसै कारण पनि उनले सही दिशा दिन सकेनन् यो हेडरलाई.
एउटा राम्रो क्रस थियो तर त्यसको एस्टिमेसन त्यति राम्रो रहन सकेन. अनि आई थिंक केही बेटर गर्न सक्थिन् त्यहाँ अनिता केसी.
And here was a chance. As soon as she came, she had a chance. Then this tackle comes again from Abena Opoku.
निकै राम्रो डिफेन्डिङ.
No free kick, APFFC, not a good one. धेरै पर जान गयो तर अझै पनि रेणुका नगर. यो सही निर्णय नै भएन रश्मि घिसिङको. रश्मि घिसिङको छेउमा अनिता केसी त थिए थिइन् र राइट ह्यान्ड साइडमा मीना देउबा पनि थिइन्. बट रश्मिले यो बल गोल पोस्टतिर प्रहार गरेको हो या पास दिएको अनिता बस्नेतलाई. इट वाज सो भेरी कन्फ्युजिङ.
I think that was a pass.
Pratiksha on the ball with the cross towards the far side. अझै पनि मौका APFC को लागि. Pantho Ichano fumbles with the ball. Here's a chance for APF. Oh, again a chance. Geeta with the ball. Clarence Yashpali resting Anjiriko. Hira Vuzel on the ball. Bravery from Hira Vuzel.
परस्पर रूपमा यो गोलको लागि गोलको खोजी पान्थो इचानो लुज गर्न पुगेकी थिइन्. फाउल फ्री किक इस्ट बेंगलको लागि.
Rashmi Kumari Kissingको सो फाउल थियो भने young one looking on and here's the chance for Fazila, but very well defended over there. The experienced Geeta Rana. Krishna pass. Pratiksha ko lage. Pratiksha ka yo cross towards the far. A good header from Rashmi. Anita Kessie ball भेटाउने प्रयासमा. A defensive header from Abena Opoku. अझै पनि प्रयासरत APFC नै. Not a foul says the referee. अझै पनि मौका. A left-footed pass looking for Hira Vuzel. Anita बस्नेतको सो पास थियो. A throw in.
The crowd in attendance today is 8,253 out of 253. आजको crowd attendance रहेको छ.
Hira Vuzelको सो क्रस थियो. Saru Limbu left-footed shot, not on target at all. C looks dejected disappointed.
It was a good idea. Tara, unko strong foot ma jana sakine nuni. You nigeni kharab shot थियो.
Handball. No, says the referee. Advantage for APF. Rosmi Kissing with the dodge and a shot towards the far post. Nothing at all happening for APF FC, and Rosmi Kumari Kissing. She apologizes to her coach.
You titi shashakta prahar bani thi na, not even on target. Frustration build.
Here we go. Anita Bosnet. Show some magic. The crowd is excited, and this shot lost the direction halfway through.
Maybe the weakest free kick I've ever seen from Anita Bosnet at this very crucial moment. And look at that. She tried to curl the ball, perhaps in the first part.
शून्यको बराबरीमा रोकिएको थियो इस्ट बंगाल र एपीएफ एफसी बीचको खेल, and Nepali crowd had very high hopes of the final this time. तर फेरि पनि एकपटक फाइनलमा गएर भने नेपाली टिमको प्रदर्शन सही रहन सकेन.
यहाँ हामीले देख्यौं disappointing moves अर्को corner kick APF FC बाट.
Anita Bosnet त्यसपालि फेरि पनि this corner kick in the box. That was an excellent corner kick. It was a chance. Maybe it was Pratiksha, I believe. Hera को chance मौका थियो यहाँ.
Pratiksha राम्रो फ्लाइट लिएकी थिइन् तर कन्भर्ट पनि गर्न सकेनन्. Restina Nziri
उनले आफ्नो टिममेट खोजिरहेकी छिन् सुलञ्जनालाई. सुलञ्जना अझै पनि बल लकेटले बल खोज्दै. Resti. That was Fazila actually. Fazila Equaput.
minutes बाँकी छ, केही moments अझै बाँकी छ. But it looks quite improbable that APF FC will come back. Anthony Andrews, definitely a very reputed coach in India.
Quality of Anthony Andrews, the coach of East Bengal. Always calm and always precise with his plans as well. Across in the box and a chance for Sulanjana. And this time Anjana Ranamagar comes out big. She saves. Well calculated jump and a dive.
Well, they say 3-0 is a defeat, 4-0 is a humiliation. You're almost in the course of humiliation, APF FC. In the final, that is. That could have been a big blow in their...
From the ground, and so many things happening. We were expecting more than 5 minutes. But here we go. APF with a long range shot. Nearly tested goalkeeper Panthoi Chanu.
It seems it was an ambitious attempt. But regardless of everything, Aman, APF FC, they have not put in a single shot on target in the entire 90 minutes.
Pozhev could not. And here's the chance. Anita Kesi with the turn. Can they at least make one attempt on the goal? Not to be so. Rosmi Kissing again disappointed.
Well, yet another disappointing evening for Nepal and APF.
Anita Kesi with the turn. She's looking for Rosmi Kissing. Clearance from East Bengal.
Yeah, last ditch change. Asta Morom. Maidan Pravesh Karne Singh Sulanjana Rahul ko lagi. And she will take all the time in the world to come out. Well done, little girl. Sulanjana Rahul with few goals and so many dreams and so many things to come for this little one.
A consolation. It might come over here. Panthoi Chano with the clearance, with the punch. And a clearance from Abena Opoku. A hopeful ball in the box. Anita Casey को लागि थियो यो ball.
Pandey Janu.
Coordination with SAF. They've come up with the very first championship happens, and it happens right here in Dassault Stadium, Kathmandu. There you go.
East Bengal, the champions of the very first SAF Club Women's Championship. The victors at last. Jubilation in the ground for the Bengal team, the team from Kolkata, the history makers. Once again, East Bengal. They wear the red and gold. They wear the shrine of Indian football. And they have proved it once again that they are the best, not only in India, but in South Asia as well. East Bengal winning the very first competition of the SAF Club Women's Championship. APF once again disappointed.